Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can sign up WhatsApp on your computer. In the last video, we showed you how you can download the app on PC. So after downloading the app, open WhatsApp and it will show a screen like this. The screen has instructions as to how you can set up WhatsApp on your computer. We are simply going to follow the set steps. So we will be switching to mobile screen. So here we are on our mobile phone trying to set up WhatsApp on PC. As said on the PC application, tap on these three dots on the top. In these varieties of options, tap on link devices. Tap on link a device. In the next step, you need to scan the QR code as shown on the PC app. Tap on OK and continue. Now scan the QR code on the computer app. As you can see, our PC has been synced up with the WhatsApp. Now we will be switching back to the computer screen. As you can see, WhatsApp has opened in our computer following the steps that we did on our mobile. Now you can use WhatsApp on your computer as you like. That completes our video for how to sign up your WhatsApp on PC. Make sure to subscribe the channel and stay tuned for further videos.